Hello, today is April 2nd of our official stay-at-home orders. And even though we are essential, real estate agents are essential, we are practicing safe real estate and working from home and remotely and anything we can do to help you out remotely.
Yes, it's true. Yes, it's true. I am happy to be stuck with you.
So we have approached and passed April 1st, which was the official day the mortgages and rent payments are due. And we opened our mail. We had a couple rent checks in there from some tenants who are still working. So there's a little confusion. I've been hearing about what forbearance actually means. Forbearance is not forgiveness. Forbearance is actually just a deferral of payments. So for example, if you buy something from a store and they say, hey, no payments for 90 days, guess what? You still owe it. So give your bank a call, give your landlord a call. If you can't make your payment, try and work something out with them. There's the scallops sizzling in the pan. Today I looked in the freezer and we had all this great seafood that we'd caught. We had some shrimp, we had oysters, we had crab, and we had some great scallops we got from the trawler. Those we did not catch. So we're gonna have a little sampling for lunch today, and then we're going to make some seafood fettuccine for dinner. Doesn't that sound great? And there they are with a little lemon butter on top. Hey, I got some good news. You know, the other day I shared that our scales were broken, both our electronic one and our manual. Well, I saw Larry down there working on them, and guess what? They are both working now. But I'm not sure why. They both seem to be negative 10 pounds. But hey, the weight's right. That's all that matters. Well, we won't need any more of this with that scale working. Well, we thought we'd get out and exercise, go for a walk, do some social distancing, but I don't know if you can see behind me there. It's rain, snowing right now. But the sky's blue at the other end of the house, so I'm sure it'll clear up. Gotta love the Northwest. Well, there it is, starting to turn the lawn white. Here we are on our social distancing walk. We found a remote area along the river and this great bridge. Hercules is smart. He does not go down the stairs. That's pretty awesome. Way to go, Hercules. Well, my neighbor Sheila's dog finally made it out on their back patio. The reason is I haven't seen him. He's so small that Sheila has to be with him so the eagles don't snatch him up. I understand.
I'm awful curious as to how well this is going to turn out.
Is this that personal protection face mask shield you were working on yesterday?
It is, but we don't have any clear plastic. So we'll figure that one out.
Very exciting. The 3D printer is busy at work. Well, that's all for today in another non-eventful day in the life of Larry and Connie with Windermere Real Estate. Take care.